students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is statement type question. Statement 1 is electric field line never crosses each other. And statement 2, if electric field line crosses each other, the field at the point of intersection will not have a unique direction, which is not possible. So let's see what these two statements are trying to tell. So according to the first statement, electric field line never crosses each other. This is the correct statement we have studied in the properties of field lines. And statement 2 is telling if they are crossing, means what will happen? At the point of intersection, there will be two directions for the field. So let's take an example. If these are our field line and they are crossing each other. So what will happen? What will happen if we place a charge? What will happen if we place a charge Q in an electric field? It will experience a force in the direction of the field, right? It will experience a force, a single force in the direction of the field. But if we place a charge on this point of intersection, it will experience a single force in two directions. How it is possible? See, it will experience a force in this direction as well. It will experience a force due to in this direction as well. But this is a single force. Due to single electric field, you will get a single force. But in this case, a single force has a two direction, which is not possible. That's why statement 2 is also correct statement. So statement 1 is also correct. Statement 2 is correct. And statement 2 is a correct explanation for statement 1. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.